Have you ever wondered why we react the way we do in certain situations, almost as if our reactions are pre-programmed? Let's talk about human instincts, those automatic responses that guide our behavior and help us navigate our complex world. These are not just simple reflexes but deeply ingrained patterns that have evolved over millions of years, playing a pivotal role in our survival and day-to-day lives. So buckle up your mental seatbelts, folks. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of human instincts. Ever jumped at a sudden loud noise? That's your startle reflex in action. Let's delve deeper into this instinctive response. The startle reflex or startle response is a universal, automatic reaction to sudden or threatening stimuli. It's not something you consciously control, your brain does it all on its own. This reflex has deep evolutionary roots. Imagine our ancestors living in a world full of predators. A sudden noise could signal an approaching danger. The faster they reacted, the better their chances of survival. This is why the startle response is so quick. It's a survival mechanism honed by millions of years of evolution. So what happens during a startle response? Well, your brain perceives a threat and sends a signal to your muscles to react. This often results in a jump or a gasp, preparing you to either fight or flee from the perceived danger. Next time you jump at a loud noise, remember it's just your instincts trying to keep you safe. When faced with danger, do you stand your ground or take flight? This is your fight or flight response at work. This instinctual reaction is our body's primitive, automatic, inborn response that prepares us to fight or flee from perceived attack, harm, or threat to our survival. When our senses perceive an imminent threat, our adrenal glands pump adrenaline into our bloodstream. Our heart rate spikes, blood rushes to our muscles, and our body prepares for action. It's a physiological cocktail for survival, priming us to either confront the danger or run from it. This response isn't just about physical danger, it also kicks into gear during stressful situations like a job interview or public speaking. It's an evolutionary trait, handed down from our ancestors who faced life-threatening dangers regularly. So the next time you feel your heart pounding before a big presentation or your palms sweating when you see a spider, remember, it's your body preparing you to fight or flee. So whether you're a fighter or a flighter, it's all thanks to your instincts. Ever felt compelled to follow the crowd? That's your herd mentality. We're social creatures by nature, and this instinct is deeply rooted in our evolutionary history. Picture our ancestors huddled together for warmth, safety, and shared resources. Being a part of a group meant better chances of survival. This need to stick with the herd has been passed down through generations and is still very much alive in us today. In our modern world, the herd mentality is most evident in social dynamics, often driving trends and influencing our decisions, from what we wear to what we eat, even our political views. It's an instinct that can have both positive and negative implications. It can foster unity and cooperation, but it can also lead to conformity and loss of individuality. However, it's crucial to remember that this instinct isn't just about fitting in or being a part of the crowd, it's a survival tactic, a way for us to feel safe and secure in a complex world. So remember, it's not just about fitting in, it's about survival. Ever wonder why mothers seem to have a sixth sense when it comes to their children? That's the maternal instinct. This fascinating instinct is a powerful force that compels mothers to protect, nurture, and care for their offspring. It plays an essential role in child rearing, fostering a strong bond between mother and child. But what's really intriguing is where this instinct comes from. Evolutionary psychology suggests that the maternal instinct has been shaped by millions of years of natural selection. In the harsh conditions of our ancestors' environments, a mother's intense care and protection significantly increased a child's chances of survival. This instinct is not exclusive to humans either. Across the animal kingdom, we see examples of mothers going to extraordinary lengths to ensure the safety and well-being of their young. From lionesses fiercely defending their cubs to bird mothers tirelessly feeding their chicks, the maternal instinct is a universal testament to the power of a mother's love. So to all the mothers out there, your instincts are doing an incredible job. When it comes to life and death situations, our survival instincts kick in. This instinct is a primal force, hardwired into our DNA, and it leaps into action when we're faced with imminent danger. Let's say you're walking in the woods, and suddenly you come face to face with a bear. You don't have time to weigh the pros and cons, your survival instinct takes over, prompting you to either fight or take flight. Our survival instinct isn't just about facing off against wild animals. It also surfaces in less dramatic but equally critical situations, like when we're hungry or thirsty. Our bodies send us signals to seek out food and water, ensuring our survival. This instinct has played a crucial role in the survival of our species. It has guided us through harsh climates, deadly predators, and scarcity of resources. It's why we're here today, and it continues to shape our responses to danger. Remember, your instincts are there to keep you alive and thriving. Ever had a gut feeling about something and it turned out to be right? That's your intuition. This instinct is shrouded in mystery, often described as a hunch or a sixth sense. It's that nagging feeling in the back of your mind, whispering hints and nudging you towards a certain direction. Diving into the realm of psychology, intuition is believed to be our subconscious mind's way of communicating with us. It gathers information, processes it, and then delivers a verdict, all without us being consciously aware of it. It's like an invisible assistant, tirelessly working behind the scenes, guiding our actions and decisions. Intuition can be particularly helpful in decision-making. When we're faced with a multitude of choices and overwhelming amounts of information, our intuitive instincts can cut through the noise, pushing us towards the most beneficial choice. So, trust your gut. It's your instincts talking. Ever been scared of the dark or what's lurking in it? That's your fear of the unknown. It's an instinct deeply ingrained in our DNA from our ancestors who lived in a world filled with unseen dangers. This fear isn't just about being afraid of the dark, it's a psychological response to anything unfamiliar or unpredictable. It was crucial for our survival, helping us to anticipate and prepare for potential threats. So the next time you feel a chill down your spine, remember it's just your instincts at work. We've traveled through the fascinating world of human instincts. We've explored the startle response, our immediate reaction to sudden threats. We've delved into the fight or flight response, our body's survival mechanism. We've understood the herd mentality, our tendency to follow the crowd. We've recognized the maternal instinct, the compelling need to nurture. We've appreciated the survival instinct, the fundamental urge to stay alive. We've illuminated intuition, our subconscious insight. And finally, we've confronted the fear of the unknown, our innate dread of uncertainty. Remember, our instincts are a crucial part of who we are, guiding us and helping us navigate through life. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of your mind.